Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here today and always. And this is the channel where you can find tons of different recipes that will be useful for really taking care of your whole body, for your skin, natural recipes, great tips and information. So always make sure you subscribe and also subscribe to my email list. That's also very useful. Today in this video, I am talking about TMJ and as a TMJ syndrome. I am not a doctor, and this absolutely needs to be diagnosed by the doctor. This is just the things that help me cope with that problem. So I am sure there are a lot of people, women actually more than men, are suffering from the same thing. I will keep calling it TMJ, right? Which actually, just bear with me, the temporomandibular joint syndrome. So, and this is just the tightness I am feeling in my jaw. I do not have any pain when I chew food or otherwise. I don't really clench my teeth at night. And the reason I'm saying TMJ has to be diagnosed because the root cause of it really, it can be caused by a variety of medical problems. So you need to really know what's causing it. What I find really helps me on a daily basis, so to say. I was in the store and I saw the Jade Roller. And I was like, that's what I need to try to use. As we all know, or maybe you don't know, either Jade or Quartz rollers. Quartz is a bit more expensive. They provide really great benefits for your skin. You use it on your skin when you want to really improve that microcirculation and anti-aging properties, of course, if you bring up the blood to your skin, make it feel sort of plump, right? It's healthy because you are massaging your skin at the same time, and you also relieve that tension in the muscles. That's actually that's what we really need when we have TMJ, right? Quartz supposedly is considered like a stronger stone. Say if you drop either of them, quartz would be stronger. And quartz has the stone itself has more anti-aging properties. But again, I didn't want to pay $40 for the quartz roller, so I got myself a jade one. I think it works just fine. So it has two ends of the small one to work in the smaller areas, and the white one. The white one is what we really need to use right now. So what I normally do, you could do either the regular massage, and you could concentrate on this area. So normally when you use the Jade Roller, you go up and down. You could start with the lower part of your body. So that's what I do. So I'm just going to show you what I normally do. So here, I do a little pressure. Don't do anything harsh or anything too painful. Of course, if you are in an acute pain, obviously don't try to do anything. Consult with your doctor. So just for everyday tension relief, skin benefits, that's a good way to start, right? So this is what I'm doing. I'm just going up and down, up and down. You could even use some oil for your skin type or serum, and use it as really a great skincare rejuvenation technique. But normally I use it right after I'm done with my night skincare routine. I apply the last thing and then I use it. So this is what I do. I go back and forth here, and then I will go back and forth here. And here specifically, I would just feel this area where while massaging, I feel so much better. Temple area right here. I would also say once I see a chiropractor, and for the adjustment to hold better, this really helps. So what chiropractor also gave me a couple of suggestions, and we'll share it with you in a second, but what I also love to do with the Jade Roller is go a little further and massage this muscle here. So it's right here, just behind your ear. You could go all the way down, which is really preferable when we're doing a facial massage. It's not only about your face. You need to give your neck some love as well. So this is what I do. You go up and down. You don't really need to spend like half an hour, or don't go crazy, like 5 minutes. That's all you need to do. And the pressure has to be gentle. You're going to go and massage your forehead, of course. You go this direction after, and this direction. So your eyebrows, you work this area. Again, don't forget about temples. Then you could work on the cheeks. when you actually, it's a very good tip if you want to have your cheekbone a little more visible, you have to work in this area like that. So it's like you face building this thing, you know. The smaller end could obviously be used for your eyes. And if you want to have some deep relaxation technique, you could either start in the refrigerator, because cold sometimes helps a lot better than the warm compress, for example, for TMJ, but it depends. So you could also use it warm. It will get warm pretty fast anyway. So also what really might help you with TMJ is the warm compress, as I've mentioned. You could use it with some chamomile tea, for example, calendula. You just take a cloth, make sure it's not hot, and then you put it on your face, and then you relax. You could actually do it right after it. It will relax your face. It will provide you with a little herbal facial thing, right? And it will also relax your muscles here. You could apply maybe a warm pillow on your shoulders. It's also very relaxing. So that's normally what I do with the Jade Roller. It's really a life hack for me because you kind of kill two things. You do a great facial massage and you help yourself with TMJ. So what a chiropractor told me what I can do on my own is like massage these areas in this motion, sort of like that. And don't forget that this whole thing is connected to your scalp, so you could have a good head massage as well. It feels good, and it has also additional benefit. You promote the hair growth. You know, the more you massage your hair, you could actually start your day with this. It's actually good. Don't forget to massage your ears like this. That's a true ancient, very good technique for anti-aging and health. Even my baby's over there doing that right now. So, and here you could concentrate on this area again, which you can feel when you open and close your mouth, and slowly opening your mouth, you're moving your hands down like that, sort of stretching this place like that. But usually, if you have TMJ, you might experience headaches, which I had, and my headaches were really new because they were going like this, and I was experiencing the headache in my eyes, like it was really in front of my face. People also experience pain when they bite. Also, ear pain is absolutely common here. Facial pain, right? That's what I actually said. This is headache plus some facial pain. So a lot of tightness and the popping nose when I do that. I just did it. So it's a lot of work in progress, and I am a believer that you do need to know what's really causing it. In my case, I am 99% sure. So I'll tell you about that in a second. Just a little bit of the explanation why we're experiencing all this kind of things in this particular area and how it is connected with our jaw. So that joint, right, the TMJ joint, is composed of muscles, of bones, of also nerves and blood vessels. You could have either on one side or two sides. I have it on both sides. How can you feel the TMJ? See, when you open your mouth, put your finger here, just a little bit before your ears, and keep opening and closing. So that's the bone. That's the muscle. That's the area where we need to give some special love and attention. Not only that area though. So let me dive into my personal experience. So I have started experiencing that when I was moving to a completely different place in my life and was stressed. Definitely did not pay good attention to my exercise routine and stretching, which is no for me. I am a person who works at the computer a lot of hours during the day, and sitting position and all kind of things. I do carry heavy things, and it's absolutely personal for every single one. Again, I'm not diagnosing anything, but I started feeling that I feel tightness, and I sort of close my teeth. Don't really clench it, but it was feeling so uncomfortable at first. I disregarded it, and then later on I started developing headaches, really bad headaches. I am a person who goes to a chiropractor at least once a month, and chiropractic adjustments help me tremendously with that condition, obviously. But chiropractic adjustment, they don't heal me, right? So say I know for sure that I develop the tightness here because it might be caused by the tightness in your neck and your shoulders. So I'm sorry. That's what was causing and is still causing my TMJ. Just a brief example. I have been waiting for my kid, and I was reading a book, and I was reading it, or your phone is actually something that might be causing it on a daily basis. You don't really look at your phone like this, right? Like this. You usually look at your phone like this. So here, your neck is always stretched in really not the healthiest way, and it causes a lot of tension in here, like right here, this area, and your shoulders. So that's what's pretty much happening to me, and it's causing then the tightness of this bone, which goes further and gives me like my facial headache. That's how I call it. So chiropractic adjustments is something you would probably might consider very important to find really a good doctor, but I think it shouldn't be a problem. Obviously, consult with the regular doctor you normally see. He could really provide you with more information. And I believe that good stretching exercises for opening up your shoulder area and also relaxing your neck and shoulders again with the regular chiropractic adjustments might be of a great help. So just to sum it all up, I just need to say that these are not the techniques that would help you to heal the condition, no, but they will help you on the everyday basis to kind of prevent this thing from happening again, because I understand that chiropractic adjustments, it can help you, but you need to do something every single day to make sure it doesn't happen again. So do you heal it yourself. That's like my approach here. If, of course, any recommendations from the doctor, you follow that. And in my next video, I will also share with you the recipe for the TMJ oil massage, where you would need to include some essential oils that would also additionally provide some therapeutical benefits and sort of like aromatherapy that will help you with the TMJ as well. So all in all, I hope this video was informative. If you have any questions, please let me know. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and my email list. You can find the information down below this video. Please put a thumbs up if you like this video. I wish you to stay very happy, healthy, absolutely TMJ free. Pay attention to your posture, and that phone habit is really the worst. It's also very bad. You know, it might be very motivational for women, men too. When you look down, you kind of have this thing right here, see? That's not good for your face. So always try to bring your phone up. Even if it looks funny, you know, people will, oh my God, she cares about her posture and face, so it's good. Anyways, not keeping you any longer, wishing you all the best, and I'll see you in my next video.